Wong. I'm handsome. I'm Peter.
We are Team Milktea. Our team has great meaning that stands for refreshment and energy. A cup of Milktea that refresh and energize. Our team are known for motivating others to stay energetic, driven, and focused on our task. That's why we are here in the first place.
Our today's topic is about school violence. Let's talk about school violence. But what is school violence?
School violence is violence that occurs in a school setting, such as on school property, or on the way to school, or from doing or in a school sponsored event.
What have you seen?
It encompasses physical violence, such as student fighting, corporal punishment, and psychological violence.
Mostly non-students look at advantage, including smaller students.
I agree with you.
What are the forms of bullying? There are forms of bullying exist, including physical, psychological, and cyber bullying. They all are fueled by physical and psychological damage.
It is a widely accepted serious societal problem in recent decades in many countries, especially where weapons such as guns and knives are involved.
We have to stop it to prevent it before it happens.
Here are some ways to prevent violence. As school leader, you can be nice to everyone so they don't want to bully you, like help others and do something nice for the people.
This is what we do. Tell a little about it. Exposing the information about school violence. We move on to the next
About it.
It is about a 16 years old woman First of all, being bullied by her classmates starting in 6th grade. The bullying began when she started listening to rock and just the children until her head short. Her classmates took her to verbal and physical abuse that lonely when she wasn't looking. Reason that she suffered as she was school and when her mother died back, she was just young and was to the unbelievable. The her mother effort to address the issue with the teacher can solve the problem. Then the group of people can solve the personality.
I feel better. I wish she hadn't felt bleeding.
So let's break the group so we can help people.
That's a very good idea, Basil. Our group can be famous.
I agree with that.
So let's end here. Thanks for listening to our important conversation. Goodbye everyone.
See you next time.
See you next time.